Yesterday night it snowed here, and here are the marks of the bird who has walked up to the house door from the backyard. We can see all the marks. I just went out to feed them and I saw these kind of, what are these marks? And then I understood, and see all the track and territory where they have walked. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Nature has a way to leave its marks. All these birds have walked over here and their dishes are full of ice. I'm just going to clean it and put new food for them and water. Water is totally frozen. Oh my God. And those are their bathing cups.